it's me, Steven Zach. And I'll show you all countries of the world. This is the United States. And also Canada. Hey! Mexico. And this is where I live. The Philippines. It's the Philippines. Okay, where do my favorite YouTuber live? Of course, he lives in the US here at Miami. This is Miami. See, that's Miami. So this is Japan.
You have to tell something about those countries.
What's the largest country in the whole world? Yes, it's Russia, the largest country. The richest country in the world is the United States. The smallest country is the Vatican City. Small Vatican City. The Vatican City is the smallest country. So the strongest country in the world is the US. The country with the most nuclear bombs is Russia. Hey, Jamera, what are you doing? Are you playing with your Kinder Joy?
Yeah, I'm playing Candy Joy.
And also, there is Australia, the largest country in Oceania. And also, the largest country in Europe is Russia again. The largest country in Africa is Algeria. And the largest country in North America is the US. This one is the US. The US. The largest country in South America is Brazil. So, see you next time. Bye-bye.